everyone, today I'll read a book about water, Earth's Water. Earth's Water, written by Catherine Scapper. Focus question, why is water important? Water everywhere. Water fills oceans, lakes, and ponds. It flows in rivers, streams, and underground. It is even in the air. Some parts of Earth have snow and ice, which are frozen water. Water covers most of Earth's surface. Salt water in oceans makes up much of Earth's water. Earth has much less fresh water. Many plants and animals need this fresh water to survive. We do need it too. Hooray! Some of this fresh water is above ground, while other fresh water is underneath Earth's surface. What are some ways you use Earth's water? We use it every day. We drink it, we play with it, we water the plants with it. Many things out. Different forms of water. Liquid water is the most common state of Earth's water. It takes the shape of the container it is in. Liquid water is always moving, even if you can't see it move. Wow. It flows in rivers and streams, and it crashes as ocean waves. Not all water is liquid, although. When liquid water gets very cold, it freezes to form ice. Ice is another state of water. Solid water. We also use solid water too. Ice can float on liquid water. People form ice into different shapes. Artists even carve ice to make sculptures. We use ice in drinks to make it cooler, of course. Much of Earth's frozen water is at North and South poles, but mostly at South poles, Earth's coldest areas. Some of Earth's water is in an invisible state as gas, called water vapor. While it's always invisible, water vapor is always around us. This picture has all stages of water. I can see 3 states, of course. What do you see? The liquid water is the pond, the water in the pond. Solid water is the snow on the mountain. And water vapor are the clouds. Changing water. Earth's water is always changing from one state to another. When frozen water is heated, it melts and becomes liquid water. When liquid water is cooled, it freezes and becomes ice. Liquid water became a gas, too. Have you ever seen a puddle of water dry up on a hot day? Energy from the sun changed the liquid to a gas in a process called evaporation. Water evaporates from oceans, rivers, lakes, and puddles all over the world. When water vapor in the air cools down, it changes from a gas to a liquid. This process is called condensation. Clouds are made from tiny drops of water formed by condensation. The tiny drops stick together, create larger, heavier drops. Once they're large enough, they fall to the ground as rain or another type of precipitation. Water is important. Rain keeps plants alive and allows them to keep growing. People and other animals need water to survive. We also use it for other purposes, such as fighting fires. It is important to take care of Earth's water. Keeping waste and trash away from water keeps it from becoming dirty and unusual. Polluted water makes people, plants, and animals sick. Would you want to drink a plain polluted water? No, of course. It's the end of the book. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.